front of me is BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Voice Recorder app, and if you never used it before, clicking on this gear at the top right corner to manage all of those options. Then go back, and to start recording, double tap this button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To end it, tap on the same button again. Now you can either delete it by tapping on this bin and hitting OK in the pop-up, or you can create another one right away by clicking on this plus icon on the left. If you want to access list of all your recordings, you need to end your current one, go back, and to play any of those, tap on it. To manage it though, you need to hold it and wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, you can, for example, rename it or delete it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!